Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact the Moonpay support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Moonpay application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Moonpay if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top of the screen, as you can see, we have the buy, sell, and swap, where you can go buy, sell, and swap tokens. We can go, of course, here you can go and click on Moonpay account. You can see some of the popular tokens down here. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact Moonpay support. So it is pretty easy and straightforward, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the top right corner and click on this wheel here. Here you will have notifications, default currency, theme, and there it is, the support. You just need to go and click on the support. And here you will get to a web page, which is the support.moonpay.com. Here, guys, you can go, as you can see top articles, help by product, swap crypto, NFT checkout, help topic. So getting started with Moonpay account management, all of them are here. As you can see, NFTs, privacy and security, partners and affiliates, etc., etc. And in the bottom right corner, you have also the chat that you can go and click on. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.